Looking for coins? Head over to Coins4Mom and just give your email and also use the coupon code Jesus for 5% off. It is cheap like that. Simple. Got it?
Got it!
What up guys, how are you doing? I hope you find your boy back again. Call me Golo, aka The Witness, and today FIFA Ultimate Team integrates a new legend. Alright, he is German, he is the left wing back, and his name, I cannot really pronounce his name back. Let me quickly go on Google Translation and hear the name, guys. Brema. That's his name, Mr. Brema. To be honest, I never heard about this guy before, but he's a legend, alright? I have to respect him, alright? And he started over here, 89 pace, 66 shooting, 82 passing, 86 physical, 86 defending, and 75 running with 5 stars of weak foot. The guy is really unbelievable, alright? But today we are not reviewing this guy, we are reviewing the silver card of this guy, alright? Because we don't have so much time. But look at this concept squad, right? It's really beautiful with this German legend inside. So yes, let me quickly present you the the silver card of Mr. Brema. Alright, so yes, let me quickly show you the team. So this is the team I put Mr. Silver Brema in. So yes, his name, are you prepared for it? So here we go. This is the silver card of Mr. Brema. I'm telling you. So let's look at his stats also. He's a left wing back, he's German as well. He doesn't have 5 stars of weak foot, but still 4 stars of weak foot is really okay compared to a legendary guy. He's only a silver, don't forget that. Alright, so his stats, let me show you them. 81 pace, 66 shooting, the exact shooting as Mr. Brema, and 74 passing, 71 physical, 70 defending, and 75 dribbling. He is a silver, don't forget that. So yes, because I think you don't have so much coins, so you can use this silver card if you want to see far away what this legendary can look like. Alright, you cannot buy him, but you can already try his alternative, the cheap version, the silver one. Alright, so this is the team that I put the silver card of Brema inside. So pretty nice looking team, alright? That's in it. So yes, I'm going to get into a game and most likely play with this guy and see what this guy, the cheap version of Brema, can do in FIFA Ultimate Team. Let's go for the game. So guys, those are the in-game stats of Mr. Rush, the cheap version of Mr. Brema. Alright, they are not so bad, alright? I don't see any red yet. Alright, all his finishing, of course, he's a defender. Let's go. Give the ball back to the legendary guy. Can you cross it for Balotelli? Who is there? Oh, please catch this guy. Thank you, goalkeeper. My goalkeeper is really amazing. Ter Stegen. Oh, what a goal! It's not supposed to happen. Like, okay, I saw you, bro. Please score this, Rossi. Yes, thank you. I thought that he went out, but yes, Rossi, thank you for this equalization, guys. I love it. Let's go, guys. Now. Oh, that's my new, dribbling. That's my invention, guys. Rush. Go. You have a little bit of pace. Go. Yes. Give the ball back to Rush. Oh, why are you stopping my rush? The first half is over, guys, and so far 1-1, and the silver card of Mr. Brema is quite doing the job really well. So yeah, I hope it will continue. As you can see it, I'm possessing the ball. So yes, let's go, guys. Oh, please, Boateng, get it. What is okay? Whoa, I seen the the interception from Rush. Thank you. Go, Mata. Yes, please. Nobody can stop you anymore, but because everything matters for you. No. Courtois, you too good. Okay, he got the ball again, guys. He got the ball again. Good. Almost a goal from our legendary guy. Oh, Balotelli, that's your chance. That's your chance. Please score it. Courtois, tackle him. I need a tackler. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. The guy is not joking. Even a silver. Oh, he's good. No, please. Thank you. Penalty! Shoot it! No! Guys, somebody! Yes! Yeah! Oh, no! I don't know. Cross it for someone. Good. No. What is this? I'ma try my best to score this goal. What kind of goalkeeper is that? Legendary, please. I need a cross that is perfect. Alright, let's go. Someone to head it. No one is there to head the ball. please don't tell me that's game over, guys. Game over, guys. Unfortunately, we didn't win, but still I really enjoy the way this guy played. He's the closest rare player, like silver rare player, that is really close to, you know, our legendary Mr.
Bremer.
So if you are looking for the, you know, the cheap version, the silver card of Mr. Bremer, so go get this guy. He's a left wing back as well. So yes, I hope again you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please leave a like to the video and I will highly appreciate that. Alright, so go to Coins for Mom also if you're looking for cheap and reliable coins. And me, I'm gonna catch you tomorrow for another video, guys. It was your boy Komigolo, aka The Witness, and then what? Peace. Oh, hold on. I just want to thank you a lot for watching this video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Feel free to subscribe because, you know, it is really cheap to subscribe to my channel. It is free actually. Alright, so do it please. I really appreciate that. So yes, at my right, as you can see it, I have another video over there. If you don't watch it, so please again feel free to click on it and watch it. Thank you a lot for, you know, watching my video again, and I should catch you tomorrow for another one. Peace.